Welcome, welcome, my beautiful, beautiful blossoms. I'm really excited about Ms Lavender. I can't wait to get started about the floral gossip about her. Now, she's native to the Mediterranean, and yes, she is fragrant. And believe it or not, it also comes in the colour white. Now, if you're after a cut flower for the day of the week, it stands for Thursday, and it comes in 47 species, and it is a perennial. Now I want to show you something about Ms Lavender. She has hairy legs, so when you are wanting to enjoy her, you need to remove the excess leaves like so. And I love it when I squash the leaves into my hand because it releases a fragrant. Now, lavender is fantastic if you're suffering insomnia, and it relaxes your nerves and it calms you down. So if you're after a very good sleep, make sure you've got Ms Lavender aside on your bedside table, because having that aroma in your room just before bedtime, it's certainly going to guarantee you a better night's sleep. Now, she is definitely hairy, as you can see there. So I've just removed the leaves, and it makes this beautiful oil in your fingers, and you can wear it as a perfume, because I certainly do. And remember, if you're trying to attract the opposite sex or even the same sex, humans are attracted to organic smell more so than artificial smell. So lavender is one of them, and certainly Ms Lavender is another. Now, she is female because she comes from a root system. She's certainly a shrub, and when it comes to females, always remember you've got to slip on the heels. Now, she does have a woody stem, and sometimes when it's woody, it can be difficult to cut through the stem, so make sure your secateurs are sharp and clean. And when I say clean, it's very important, because you don't want any nasties hanging on the blades, because those nasties can infect the stem and it's going to reduce its vase life. Now, the good news is that it's also edible, but I recommend growing your own. And when you're investing into eating Ms Lavender, make sure that you haven't sprayed it with pesticides, because they can be very nasty on your immune system. So I'm just going to put that aside there. Now, if you're suffering headaches and migraines, this is also another cut flower to invest in. So no more headaches, no more anxiety, no more, oh my God, I can't sleep, because guess what? Ms Lavender has your back covered. And on that note, blossoms, it's a wrap.